Good morning, students. Our today topic is the active medium. All the convection source of light are the aggregate of the atomic electromagnetic oscillators operating independently of each other, and atoms different energy states are unable to produce the laser action. Because for laser action the emission rate must be larger than the observation rate. And second point क्या है, probability of the spontaneous emission which produce the incoherent radiation must be much smaller than the probability for stimulated emission. Even if we have a medium containing different types of atom, a small fraction of atoms of particular energy level system fulfill and above two conditions, these terms which cause the laser action are called the active centers. These are the active centers, and the rest of the material act as a host and the sport to the active center, and the medium which hosts the active center is called the active medium. अगर another definition हम क्या define कर सकते हैं, medium which and the excitation produce population inversion and promote stimulated emission according to the laser is called the active medium. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द रेजोनेंस कैविटी. तो रेजोनेंस कैविटी में क्या है कि लेजर लाइट source can produce compare with the electromagnetic radiation, and also know the oscillator is the device which contain at least one amplifier and the part of output energy and which is coupled back to the system. In the oscillator, when the part of output energy is feedback to input and the noise signals present input, the appropriate frequency is also amplified, but quickly stable output of the particular frequency is achieved. In laser, a medium with population inverse is capable of amplification, but in order that act as a oscillator which can supply light energy and as a source of light, and one must couple of part of the output back into the medium, and this can be achieved by placing the active medium between two mirrors and which effect most of the output energy back to the system. Such a system two mirror represent as the optical resistivity resonant कैविटी. तो ये हमारे पास जो डायग्राम है इसमें हमने क्या लिया हुआ है, दो पार्सल ऑफ मिरर हैं और बीच में हमारे पास क्या है, एक्टिव मीडियम है. तो हमारे पास ये क्या है, ए प्लेस पैरेलल रेजोनेटर. तो एक हमारे पास कैसा है, फुल रिफ्लेक्टेड है, और एक हमारे पास क्या है, पार्शली रिफ्लेक्टिव है. तो इस फिगर में हमारे पास क्या है, टू ऑब्टेन द आउटपुट मीडियम वन ऑफ द मिरर मे बी मेड पार्शली रिफ्लेक्टिव. तो इट मीन्स thus the light beam which starts from one mirror to the travel towards the other, then while passing through the active medium gets amplified. If the second mirror is partially reflected, then the light beam is partially transmitted and the rest reflected back towards the first mirror. In traveling to the first mirror, it again gets amplified and return to the position and it started from, and thus light beam is the reflected several times of mirrors and gains strength in which passes and ultimately, and when the amplification balance the loss in the cavity, and highly intense beam of light comes out from the front and to the mirror. Now next topic is the laser pumping. ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द पंपिंग में. तो लेज़र पंपिंग में हमारे पास क्या है कि पंपिंग इज़ द प्रोसेस द पॉपुलेशन इनवर्स इज ब्राउट अबाउट, यानी कि जो पॉपुलेशन पंपिंग है हमारे पास वो लेज़र पंपिंग के थ्रू ही एक्ट होगा. फॉर द लेज़र टू ऑपरेट द कॉन्टिन्यूसली एल द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द बोथ द अपर एंड द लोअर लेवल्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड इफ देयर इज मैनी एटम्स ions and molecules in the lower level, it will drastically reduce the population inversion and stop the laser action. And the various pumping method used in the laser: optical pumping, electrical pumping, chemical pumping, injection of the charge carriers, collision by the fast electron, etc. And basically pumping is a process of the supplying continuously of the energy to the laser system with a view transfer state of the population inversion. Thank you. Have a nice day.